With that price range, of course, we have mga payment terms, no?
Yes.
Na it's not a spot cash na you have to pay outright, but we still have the longer payment terms. Especially
Yes,
we have an
correct.
ongoing promotions and even discounts, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
are the pay terms that we have for the BenCab and
Okay.
even promos and discounts?
Yes, so for the BenCab, the original turnover is December 2026, but we can give options to our clients now na if they're not in a rush, if they want more time to settle or to loan the turnover balance, they can move in a 1 year after, which is by December 2027. And then to reserve a unit, it's just 100,000 pesos.
Okay.
We also have discounts that we can offer to our clients. So once they do the site visit, we can show them, sir, the discounts that we can offer.
Speaking of discounts, no, feel free to message us. No?
Yes.
Kasi that's a very special discount. So just shoot us a message with this number below and mapag-uusapan natin yan. No?
Yes,
When
sir,
it comes sa mga discounts and promos. No?
So it's not a one-time payment. Like they will reserve a unit and then there are months naman for them to pay. Thus the remaining balance, they can have it financed through a bank.
Yep. So for the down payment naman, so after the reservation, how much is the percentage for the down payment?
10%, sir.
10%.
10% down payment.
So a month after the reservation, that's the time that they will going to settle for the 10%.
For the 10%.
And then the
Correct.
remaining balance, no?
The remaining balance, so another 10%, so that's our lightest term. So another 10% is divided to several months, around 12 to 24 months. Sir. And then the remaining 80%, yun, they can finance through a bank.
Yep. So when it comes to the financing or loan application, we could help our clients since
Yes,
I believe Rockwell has a lot of banks na accredited.
Correct.
So
Yes, sir.
we could help you to the loan application. Nothing to worry about dun sa
Yes.
magpa-finance sa inyo. Or even kayo, Sir Andre, baka pwede kang mag-loan sa inyo.
No, sir. Sa'yo na lang.
Sa
Sa'yo
akin
na
ba?
lang, sir.
So,